Well, it's winter time and I've been going through some files on my computer and putting some little videos together. These are 2 patch jobs, and one was the neighbor's house. He throws the salt in the winter and shoveling the snow, and it got a little bad, so I just patched it up with some fast drying cement, which I usually use Cement-All, and then I just painted it with Portland. It's like a 15-minute job and I'm done. Then we're going to have a little advertisement from Honest Mike because it's winter time. And then I'm going to go to the second one where I was doing a chimney and waiting for it to dry. I went down and I just painted my cousin's steps. That's all with Portland. Now a lot of people say, well, how long does Portland and a patch last? Well, that's a couple years ago already and it's still there. And if you have a problem, just go over it again. That's what all the old timers used to do. That's the only, they did it with the castles. I watched them still doing it over in Europe, Northern Europe. So this is like old school, cheap repairs. So here we go. Here's a set of steps. And just right there on the corner, they got a bad spot. Not too bad. Like a dentist. The water, the salt. That's it. Just get the loose stuff off. You know, you could go deeper, but we're not going to do that. Just get the loose stuff off. I'm going to wet it down real good. Let that sink in there like that. And patch it up. So, I went and mixed myself some Cement-All. First thing is get it in there good. That. Get it in here good. Like that. Does that look better? Kind of form it as we go. See that? Make no big deal out of it. I'm always saying that. Don't make no big deal out of it. It's only a patch. Patches just make it look better. So I'm going to let that settle for a while. Now, of course, every time I get the camera going, they got the lawnmower started. But I just kind of do that, sponge it off. That's all. Don't make a big deal out of it. If I can reach over the back side here, sponge that off a little bit. That's it. And then we just get a little Portland paint and paint over it. It makes it look like we weren't even here, right? Okay. So I wet it first, and then I paint it, and all the steps look brand new. No big deal out of it, right? See that? And all the steps kind of match. Even though I got a patch up here, see that? They're all matched. Looks a lot better than if I didn't do that.
Folks, if you're going on vacation, you know who to call for your snow removal service. Honest Mike Snow Removal.
I just got finished up there with a chimney. I'm going to go over these steps and just paint them with the same stuff I painted the chimney with. No big deal. Power wash them if you want. You really don't have to. Now, concerning metal, here's some precast concrete steps that I'm going to patch up. See the metal in there? Anytime you put metal in concrete, it's only a matter of time. See it all starting to pop up. So we're going to just put a coating over this. Maybe the owner will paint it. So I cleaned it up. I'm just wetting it down again for the first time. I'm gonna do the whole thing first. Let some of that water sink in there deep. And then right before I paint it, I'm gonna do it again. So now I'm going over with the water again. I'm just gonna get my Portland paint. Go over it. It's gonna fill in all them holes. So we're cleaning it up pretty good. Cleaning it up pretty good. Okay. So that's it, 2 little jobs I did in the summer, and all I did was patch them. A patch job is a patch job, and that old painting with Portland, if it's on the ground, I paint it with Portland. If it's up on a wall, I just did my dad's garage, which he did most of it 40 years ago. I just went over the top of it and I made Portland and mortar and I mixed them together and I painted it because it gives it a lighter color. But that's old school. They've been doing it for thousands of years, whether they did it with lime or mortar or Portland or whatever they used. It's just a quick patch. Now you do those steps, you could always wait a while. Usually with cement you wait 30 days and get a masonry paint and go over them. And you could even still patch it after that. So thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haduck. I'll see you next video.